this is glass slide, okay, and we are taken here 2 glass slide for the experiment, and these are 2 cover slips we taken, 2 cover slips. This is blotting paper, okay, see, and this is dropper, 2 droppers we are taken for our experiment. And for the experiment we need here muddy water, that is river water or water from puddle, and in this we taken here stirrer also want for this experiment, and this water we taken in a beaker, this is a beaker, and second solution, that is nothing but fresh water, that is also taken in a beaker, and this is microscope, compound microscope, and we are preparing the slide of these two water, these two solutions, and we will see under the microscope, okay. Now we are taking a drop of fresh water on this glass slide with the help of this dropper, like this. See, we have to put one drop here, okay, like this, and put cover slip on that drop like this, okay, but some water sprayed here, so we are using blotting paper. This blotting paper used to absorb an excess of liquid substance from the surface. You have to clean like this only. Now we get some drops of fresh water under this cover slip, okay, and now this cover slip we will put under the microscope, and now we will observe the microorganisms present in the fresh water also. We are putting glass slide like this under the microscope. Like this we put here glass slide under the microscope, and after observing the glass slide under the microscope you can find the bacteria present in the fresh water also, but you know some bacteria are not harmful for our health, understood. Now this glass slide we are removing, and after that second glass slide we are preparing of muddy water or water from puddle. This water I taken here from puddle, that is some soil particles are mixed in it. We are taking here the drop of muddy water with the help of this dropper and put on the cover slide like this. After that we are putting the cover slip on this like this. Now we are using the blotting paper to observe an excess of liquid substance from the surface like this. And now we are putting this glass slide under the microscope like this. And if you observe this glass slide under the microscope, you will find some microorganisms present in the muddy water or water from the puddle, and these microorganisms are nothing but the amoeba, paramecium or algae. And these microorganisms we cannot find or we cannot see with our naked eyes, and so we are using these microorganisms to observe the microorganisms under the microscope. Understood? See, and after observing this cover slide, you will find the paramecium, amoeba, algae, these organisms, and the image of these organisms are like, see here, you will see the image of amoeba under the microscope like this, and you will see the paramecium image like this and algae image like this. See, amoeba, paramecium, algae are nothing but the microorganisms which are present in the muddy water or in the puddle water also, river water also like this.